So very warm welcome to class 8, and this was a pleasant morning where we are having one of our students' birthday too. But yes, it's a virtual birthday. We are not getting anything. Neither we are getting a cake, neither we are getting any chocolates. But okay, fine. With lots of blessings and love, we are starting with this with the class. And yesterday also we did prepositions exercise. There was a nice fight in the class. Virtual fight was going on. Today it's a turn for girls and those boys, those who have not taken part into it. Today Chaitanya is not there in my class.
मैम उन लोग बता नहीं पाए तो बताएंगे ना.
हाँ, so those who have not spoken yesterday, they are going to speak out today. Fine?
अरे नहीं मैम, कल भी बताया है मैम, पर आज नहीं बता पाए तो उसके चांस पे बताएंगे.
तो क्या हो गया?
आप बोले नहीं बताएंगे.
No, am I going to hang you all? No, na. This is the practice session going on. Very less time left for our examinations. That's why I'm doing the revision. Very less time. Hardly 1 month. Max.
I'm very less student.
I can't help, but I have to start the class. It's already 9:06 now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You just send a message in the group to join first. Jainam is joining now.
Yes, ma'am.
Already 6 minutes late. Chalo. Are you all ready with the copy and pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday's exercise you have noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Same we will be continuing today also. Will it be okay? Now they are joining. Naman is joining now. See, all are late. Shall I log the meeting? Boys, those are joining late after 6-7 minutes. Chalo. Bhumika, you also give me a call after this class. I need to talk to you all. Bhumika, Gunjan and Ishika. Something special. Because we are going to go for a party. Right, Ishika?
Yes, ma'am. Nice.
Sakshi is getting irritated now. I can see her face. Yes, Sakshi. I'm joking. Jokes apart. Mazak kar rahi hu. Sakshi, where do you stay?
Ma'am, in Tharagad.
Wow, nice place. Chalo. Ready? This is the second. This is the easiest exercise, right? And I will give a couple of minutes time to you all. Don't start fighting now only. I want one by one answers, right?
Ma'am, one will answer 3 questions.
Yes. And we have, in this manner, we have 2 more exercises. So don't worry and don't start fighting.
Okay, ma'am.
कि virtual fight शुरू हो जाती है फिर मेरे क्लास में.
Virtual महाभारत.
Ma'am, in between Pulkit and Chaitanya.
Daily na? Daily we have fight. Chalo. Let's start with our birthday girl only today. Right? So Ishika will tell me the first 3 answers. Take your time for 30 seconds.
Ma'am, second.
Again, Pulkit. Chup na.
Yes, ma'am.
Pulkit मुंह बंद. मैं म्यूट कर दूंगी अभी. Ishika, answer me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first का होगा at the age of 45.
If you want to write it down, Ishika. I don't have any problem. Sakshi, Get ready with the next 3 answers. Means 4, 5 and 6. Write it down in your copy. Next 3 answers. Then after that, Pulkit, 7, 8 and 9.
मैम फर्स्ट का आंसर एट है ना?
Pulkit, चुप.
मैं पूछ रहा था.
नहीं, चुप.
Ma'am, can I say?
Start.
Ma'am, at the age of 45.
At the age of 45. Full sentence, please.
She learned Russian at the age of 45.
Next. Next, the book was written.
by Mark Twain.
Twain. That is the pronunciation
By-
is Twain. T silent हो जाता है. The book was written dash. The book was written.
Okay, ma'am.
The book was written
By
Good. Third one.
show you the picture. And for the palace, I will show you the picture for the palace.
No. Try once. Try once. I will
Yes,
show you
ma'am.
the picture.
Show
Set
you,
for.
ma'am, on the palace.
No. It will be for only.
Can I, ma'am? Can I?
Try. For only.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
I will show you the picture of
For the palace. For the palace.
For
Correct.
the palace.
Correct. So Ishika
Ma'am,
gave all the 3
ma'am.
answers correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Good job.
Ma'am,
First time I
ma'am.
got all the correct answers. Chup, ma'am, बीच में. You all behave like a small kids, as if you're studying in class 1 or 2. Become mature. Huh?
मैम मेरे को एक डाउट है.
हाँ, बोलो. What's
मैम
your
I
doubt?
will show you the picture of the palace भी हो सकता है.
Of the palace भी हो सकता है. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I will show
Ma'am,
you. Beta
can it
for
be
the
in-
palace. For the palace correct. Of the palace correct. Please write it down in your copies. These are the this is the practice exercise and which is going to really help you out.
ma'am, in the palace.
No, I will show you the picture in the palace. No,
Yes, ma'am.
no. Now next turn is of Ishika. Sorry, Sakshi. Sakshi, switch on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is switched on.
Move. Start.
We can only get to the camp by foot.
Correct. Next.
He reminds me about his old history teacher.
Perfect.
What are you talking about?
Correct. Good job. Good job. Next, Pulkit. अब इतना चिल्लाता है Pulkit. You will give the answer. Yes, Pulkit. Now it's your turn, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Simultaneously, other students, please go on writing the answers too.
By the end of next year, we will have made over.
एक मिनट, आवाज क्लैश हो रही है. I think so. Bhumika is speaking something. Bhumika?
No, ma'am.
Then, okay, Pulkit, start.
Sorry, speak.
Pulkit, start.
Ma'am, what is the answer of fifth?
Yes, ma'am. By the end of next year, we will have made over 1 lakh euros. She always get up early in the morning and goes to bed late at night.
Once again, tell me.
बता रहा हूँ.
She always gets up early in the morning,
Yes, ma'am.
and goes to bed late
At night.
at night. Correct.
I went to work in Tuesday, but I don't go.
Wrong.
I went
On
to work
Tuesday,
on
what day?
Tuesday.
On. I
On-
went to work on Tuesday.
But I didn't go in Friday.
Huh?
At Friday.
Friday. I
Ma'am, may
went
I
to work
answer
on
next
Tuesday, but I
week?
didn't go at
At Friday. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I answer next week?
Okay. Next,
Ma'am.
yes, correct. Naman, let me decide. Bhumika, you want to say something? What happened?
Answer this question. Can I tell?
Ma'am, she want to ask what is the question answer 5th.
Tell her na in chatting why you are discussing with me. Can't you write it in chat box?
He
Sakshi.
reminds me of,
Okay.
ma'am, I want to work
Ma'am,
on
answer
Tuesday,
next
but I
week.
didn't go on Friday, ma'am.
Pulkit, I want to work on Tuesday, but I didn't go
On Friday.
on Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now may I tell?
Wait. I'm giving you the
No,
names.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Wait.
correct the कि नहीं?
Wait, class 8. Control yourself. Next 3 answers will be given by Naman. That means 10, 12, 11 and 12. Then by
Ma'am.
Bhumika. Chup. Then by Bhumika. Then Lakshya will give next 3. So line up yourself. Naman, Bhumika and Lakshya. Switch on your cameras and get ready and start. One
मैम
by
मैं
one.
जितना तीनों दिया मैं पूरा सही था.
हाँ सही था.
I'm
Thank you, ma'am.
You will have to wait. He will be with you after a minute. After. Philip wait for her at the movie theater. For he started learning English from 2005.
He started learning English.
From 2005.
Okay. Over.
I'm done.
Huh.
Can I tell?
Next.
From the third.
Bhumika.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
And I request all the students in the class go on writing the answers along with the question. Don't ask me afterwards
मैम
कि
नमन
मैम क्या
10
करना
का
है.
आफ्टर बोला पर आफ्टर तो है नहीं
Sach?
ऑप्शन में 4
हाँ?
मिनट होना चाहिए. नमन 10 का आफ्टर ए मिनट बोला.
अच्छा after a minute बोला. Naman.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. After a minute बोला ma'am.
Wait. You
Ma'am.
will have to
minute बोला
wait.
था, ma'am.
एक second. Just a second.
No, ma'am.
You will have to
After
wait.
he there
He will
for
be
a
with
minute.
you for a minute. नहीं.
No, ma'am.
नहीं,
For
नहीं.
how then? For
After a minute बोला था तू
No,
after.
बेटा एक second.
हाँ.
Let me think. You will have to wait. He will be with you. Within a minute होता है.
In a minute.
In a minute. With you in a minute. In a minute.
Yes, ma'am. In a minute can be.
Yes, ma'am. In a
Yes,
minute
ma'am.
is correct.
10th answer
In a
is
minute.
in. 10th answer is in. Right? Now next. Bhumika,
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
The question 13. Yes,
your
ma'am.
voice is very low, Bhumika.
Question 13.
Ah.
Now
Start.
it's clear.
Yes.
You have to pay for the tickets on the day you order them. For the tickets.
You have to pay for the tickets on the day you have ordered them. Okay. Next.
We are very proud of this company. Question 15. It's a very kind of you to help us. It's very
kind of you to help us. Very kind of you. It's very kind of you. Okay. It's very kind of you. Take it. Take. Correct. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
The old man suffered
Switch on
by
your camera.
long-
I won't accept your answer, beta. I won't accept your answer unless you're switching on your camera.
Ma'am, I can't switch on
Why?
my camera.
Why? What's your problem? Any problem? Okay, fine. Leave it. Come on, give me the answers. Give me the answers.
The old man suffered from a heart attack. Please write with pencil. It's time to.
Ma'am, can
It's
I tell?
Why?
it's on time you told him the truth.
Nine. It's on time. You told in
Can I-
time. Wait, na. Let that child try, na. Who has got the opportunity to speak? I think so. It is not correct. Let us try once again. It's dash time. You told him the truth. It's about no. It's on time. It's too.
Ma'am, it's at time. It's at time. No.
No, 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 no.
It's
तो on ही आ
about
रहा है,
time.
on
It's
नहीं आ रहा है,
about time.
on ही आ रहा है. Because in option also on is given. It's on time you told him the truth. ठीक है, correct. Correct. Written all of you?
What
Yes.
and what will come?
On. Next 3 students I want, that is one by one, don't start fighting again. Arham, Lakshya and Shaurya.
Ma'am, I have told.
लक्ष्य का तो हो
अच्छा,
गया.
लक्ष्य हो
Ma'am,
गया.
I have told.
Arham, then Shaurya, then Sakshi. Sakshi to done. Sakshi says done. Gunjan. Gunjan is also done with?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So these
Ma'am,
students are
can
going
I
to
tell?
keep the videos on. Start.
Yes, ma'am. The manager didn't take part of the discussion. He is very good
Beta,
in
switch
telling
on the
jokes. I will
camera.
say 1 minute.
If you want to write the options in your copy, please write it down because I'm going to scroll down now.
Ma'am, I can't switch on.
Oof. Okay.
The manager didn't take part in the of the discussion. He is very good in telling jokes. I will see you in the conference.
मैम उसको थोड़ा धीरे बोले बोले तो समझ नहीं आया. क्या बोला, कहाँ से गया?
Beta, he is speaking to himself only. Understood? He is speaking to himself. He is not giving the answer. Even I have.
The manager didn't take part of the discussion. He is very good
What is this?
in telling
What
jokes.
is this going on? The manager
Ma'am-
did not take part.
Ma'am, she said, speak slowly.
Acha. Mane, even offline in online classes also you all are going to behave in the same manner as you all behave in the class. Yeah.
Ma'am, when will I get chance?
To come to school.
Ma'am, chance कब मिलेगा मेरे को?
क्या मिलेगा?
मैम आज चैतन्य बहुत जल्दी आ गया.
अरे वो सो रहा था. He was sleeping in the
No,
class.
ma'am.
Shut your mouth, Chaitanya. Chalo, let's continue with the exercise.
Yes.
Today Chaitanya will keep shut. Okay, next.
Okay.
The manager did not take part. Dash the decision.
Of the discussion.
Discussion. Of the discussion. But manager did not take part of the
Mama.
discussion. No.
Can I?
Let
Ma'am.
him only try.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, try. Let's try.
Ma'am, I will go for only off.
Off.
Yes, ma'am.
But I am
Can I
feeling
know?
like
Ma'am,
yes.
19th one. Yes, ma'am. The manager didn't take part in the discussion.
Yes, ma'am.
In.
In can be.
In is the correct. No, it's okay.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Good. Next one.
He
He is
is
very
very good
good.
in telling jokes. In telling
In
jokes.
telling jokes. Correct.
I will see you in the conference.
I will see you in the conference. Correct.
मैम ऐड होना चाहिए ना?
नहीं. Why? At the
Ma'am,
conference.
ऑप्शन आ गया अरे तो दिखाऊंगा रुको और स्लाइड अगर
Yes,
ठीक है वो वापस
ma'am. I will see you at the
No, no. I will see you in the conference. Correct. I will see you
conference.
at the
ma'am,
conference.
it is in.
Background voice.
Better rest of the students, please switch off your mic.
Someone's background noise is coming. Rishabh Pancheti.
Next.
मैम आराम के बाद शौर्य था मैम शौर्य.
Yes, ma'am.
Shaurya, continue. Shaurya, continue. Start, Shaurya. I'm waiting for you.
मैम आप कौन से शौर्य को बोले थे?
अरे बाप रे. कोई भी एक शौर्य बोल दो.
शौर्य जैन.
सब तो जैन ही है बेटा. शौर्य.
Ma'am, we said on the
मैम क्लास में एक ही शौर्य है. मैम अभी क्लास में एक ही शौर्य है.
यस मैम. शौर्य जैन.
Shaurya, will you start or shall I continue with some other student?
On the grass.
ये कहाँ का आंसर था?
टाइम लगता है.
We sat on the grass. Okay. Next. मतलब someone is speaking but the voice is getting. Yes. Next.
In the 70s.
Tell me the full answer. My parents got married in the 1970s. ऐसे बोलते हैं. Next one.
Ma'am, ma'am, he was ninja.
Oh, good.
In
Moksha.
the end.
There's a good restaurant. In the end of
In
this.
the end. Yes, sir.
No, ma'am. I think
At
the end
beta?
of this trip. Ma'am, I
At the
think
end of
they
the
are.
Varshna ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I have a very मतलब थोड़ा अलग प्रकार का एकदम कंफ्यूजन है कि मैम आपको जो पता है ना बहुत सारे एक्सेंट्स होते हैं जैसे अमेरिकन एक्सेंट फिर ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट. सो मैम अगर मैं किसी चीज को प्रोनाउंस कर रहा हूँ
Pronunciation. First of all, let
Yes,
me
yes.
correct you. That is pronunciation, not pronunciation. That is
Yes, yes.
pronunciation. Yes. Continue now.
So ma'am, so ma'am, for example, if मेरे को कुछ बोलना है, like I'm telling you a story or whatsoever, you are telling me that please tell me a story. For example, it's a test of giving me marks. So ma'am, some people will correct me like this is not like this, this is like this. So for example, it is missile in British accent and it is missile in American accent. So ma'am, there would be so much confusion then. So what could I do then?
Chaitanya, for this, you need to talk to me through telephonically, right? Because I need to speak to you separately. I cannot speak to you in the class itself where I'm already continuing with a topic. Okay, Chaitanya? So we will talk someday. We will have a nice chat. Fine, and I will clear all your doubts, whatever you're having. And basically, when we are staying in Chhattisgarh, we have a different kind of accent, right? But the people living here, they have something different. So that's what we are going to talk about in. And this is not the correct time because 9 minutes are left. I have to complete this. Fine.
Okay.
So I will surely answer your question, but just wait for some time. Okay, next. Who was the next? Come on, fast.
Ma'am, I was.
Ma'am, can I?
Where can I?
Ma'am.
Who has not given me the answer? Kushal has not given me the answer. Suryansh, Sur.
Ma'am, can I start?
Rishika is also present today. Rishika?
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on the camera. Let me see you first. Where were you yesterday?
I was having network issue yesterday.
Okay. Network problem. PWD work is going on.
Yes, ma'am.
How could I know?
Ma'am, you told that, then only I said yes.
Okay. You two give me a call after this. Fine. Are you all ready? Who is going to speak now? Shelly is also present today.
Ma'am, Gunjan.
Give me the answers. Come on.
Ma'am, we usually have turkey for Thanksgiving.
I can't hear you, Gunjan. Please pardon once again.
We usually.
We usually, beta. Say it correctly.
Yes, we usually have turkey for Thanksgiving.
For Thanksgiving. Okay. I would like to travel.
I would like to travel to Italy next summer.
Okay. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
I took. Wait, Chetan. That only I don't like. Don't poke your nose in between.
Excuse me, ma'am, I didn't do anything. I was not unmuted.
Okay. Who was that then? The voice is same?
Yes, ma'am, me.
उठा है नींद से मी चुप. Continue, Gunjan.
I took a plane.
It's plane,
I
beta.
took a plane.
Gunjan, ठीक से बोलो. It's plane. I took a plane.
I took a plane from
Yes.
Munich to Rome.
Okay. गुंजन को स्पोकन इंग्लिश की बहुत जरूरत है, राइट गुंजन?
मैम 28, 29, 30 बोलूं मैम? नमन तो कितने बार बोलेगा भाई?
नमन you got once, you got a chance already. Other students are also there in my class.
Ma'am, Pulkit also got one chance.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone got one.
तो मैम मैं वापस चालू कर देता हूँ.
Let others also speak in the class.
मैम कोई बचा ही नहीं है अब.
अच्छा, Sur, she has not
बहुत
spoken.
लोग बचे हैं.
Many are there in my class.
मैम उन लोग कोई बताते ही नहीं है मैम.
लड़ो, मैं जा रही हूँ, बाय.
सॉरी मैम.
Continue now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I had like to speak with the manager, please.
Beta, we should not say the in front of the word when it is starting with consonant. Manager, M. How do we sound it as? Ma, right? So when we are sounding it as ma, we cannot say it as the. The we are going to pronounce when
The-
there is any
Yes,
vowel
ma'am.
sound. Okay.
I'd like to speak with the manager,
Correct.
please.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am. I don't usually feel tired
Hmm.
in the morning. In the morning.
अब समझ में आया कहाँ पे गलत हो रहा है हमसे?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
My mother is abroad, so my dad is taking care of us at the moment.
At the moment. Don't say the again.
At the moment.
My
Correct,
mother
ma'am.
is abroad. My mother is abroad. So my dad
So
is
my dad
taking
is
care
taking care of us. Of
of
us.
us.
At the moment.
नहीं बेटा. At somehow I'm not feeling.
Ma'am,
At will
excuse
not
me,
come.
ma'am.
Yes.
मैम 28 का 2 हो सकता है क्या? I had like to speak to the manager, please.
I had like to speak to. It is not getting set. Okay. That's why I told. Yes. I did like to speak to. Correct नहीं है. ठीक है?
मैम मैम उसके बाद क्या इन द मूवमेंट एट द मूवमेंट ऑन द मूवमेंट ऑन द
नहीं हो सकता है. in the moment हो सकता है. My mother
Ma'am,
is
at the
abroad,
moment-
so my dad is taking care of us in the moment. नहीं. The नहीं हो सकता. In
Ma'am,
that
on
moment.
at the moment, ma'am.
At
At the
At
moment.
the moment, ma'am. At the
the
moment.
moment. ठीक है.
मैम सबसे पहले मैम यही बोला था मैम आप बोले नहीं है वो इसलिए मैम तो
बेटा,
दूसरा बोला
see,
My mother is
the
abroad.
हम्म,
मैम मैं बोल सकता हूँ एक बार बस.
बोलिए. आपका आज खाना हजम नहीं होगा अगर आप इंग्लिश क्लास में नहीं बोलेंगे तो. प्लीज डू स्पीक. बोलिए.
My mother is abroad, so my dad is taking care of us at the moment.
तो वही तो बोला.
मैम मैं एट द
वही तो बोला था.
बोला था मैम सबसे पहले
ओके. आगे भगवान. बेटा, only 1 minute is left. I don't want any fight in my class.
मैं बोलता हूँ फटाफट मैम Sonja gets on the 7 o'clock bus in the morning.
मैम अंकित बोल दिया ऐसे ही.
She always look at herself in the mirror. I met Donna
ये क्या हो रहा है?
at a party on Friday night. आप बोले मैम 1 मिनट बाकी है 3 मिनट बाकी है मैम जितना बोला है.
Ma'am, I
बाप
will
रे
help you.
बाप.
My friend always borrow money from me. Daria's book are lying on the floor.
बेटा,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
please
ma'am.
have patience. Let me speak.
देखो मैम मैं 1 मिनट में कितना सारा बोलती हूँ.
हाँ बेटा, you are too intelligent. Right?
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ, thank you. Now please shut your mouth.
ओ भाई पुलकित आज पक्का.
फिर लड़.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Now listen, take the
31.
screenshot. 30 seconds left. Take the screenshot first.
मैम taken.
Next class, all together we will discuss, and in my next class, these students will shut their mouth. I have noted down the names. Clear? One more exercise is there. We have to solve that also. Come on. Take care. See you. Bye-bye in the next period.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye.
Good day,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Chaitanya, chup.